Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's learn how to do bicep curls. So for this I am using 1.5 kg dumbbells each arms. So we'll start with standing shoulder width apart as usual. We'll keep the dumbbells towards the side of the body and arms closer to the body. You don't have to move your arms away from your body. It should be close and tight to your body. You don't have to hunch or stretch back. Keep your shoulders down and arms towards your side. So when you're going up, breathe in, and when you're coming down, control the movement, go down slow and breathe out. So this is the movement that you'll be doing. Please take a very careful note about the way I'm holding the dumbbells and also the movement. So if you're using a dumbbell for the first time, that I would say 1 kg or 1.5 kg dumbbells would be a good start. You don't have to move your body when you're trying to put up the dumbbell. If that happens, if you're not able to move the dumbbells up or rotate it properly, then probably it's a good time to recheck on your weights and change it. So this is how we have to do the bicep curls. Keep your arms very close to the body and don't shake it too much. Keep your elbows also towards, it should not be going up the body when you are going up. It should not be moving away from your waist. I'll show it to you from the side. So don't hunch, don't go back, in line with your body, shoulders down. Take a note of the arm rotations as we are going up. Rotate and come down towards the side. When you go up, you breathe in. As you come down, you breathe out. If you are not able to pick it up, then as I said, please consider your weights. So this is a good starting point to do by 8 to 12 reps in 3 rounds.